Alright, we got a CPKC westbound train coming down the line. The time is 5:35 a.m. Before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on. Let's see if we can get any trains in this video. We are at Campbellville Road in Campbellville, Ontario at mile 38 on the GALT sub. So what do we got for power on this westbound train? We have 8038 leading. CN unit on CP, all right. Awesome. Symbol on this train is CPKC 135. This train originates from Asian Courtyard in Toronto, Ontario. Terminates at the Oak Yard in Detroit, Michigan. All on this July 28th, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. There's a dog right there. I think the dog is afraid of the train. That's right, dog. You get your fat ass in the house, or I'm gonna kick your butt. There you go. He's in the house. Don't worry. He's not gonna attack me. Anyways, I heard that CPKC 230 is gonna have the 6444 leading. I don't know if I'll stay out for that one because he hasn't gone by yet. I don't think. Plus, this train has to get ahead of. Besides, this train needs to get ahead of him before he gets clear to GUELPH Junction. It's gonna be like an hour or two for him to get here. I am only limited to stay out till like 8 in the morning, unfortunately. I wonder if this train has some intermodal stacks at the very end. I bet they do at the very end of the train. Because sometimes they don't carry intermodal. Now the train is picking up speed. Every time I go railfanning, now I'm starting to think that 135 is going to be like a 5:30 run here, not a 6 o'clock, after 6 o'clock run. Because sometimes, every time I go to, what do you call it? Well, Bronny Street, I don't end up seeing 135 sometimes. And the method behind it is because he's early today. I hear an engine roar. I don't know if this is the train that... I don't know if we're getting an eastbound coming or what. Because there's a 6644 coming. Let me check down the line. And maybe it's the engine that I'm... Maybe it's the engine that... Maybe it's the train I'm hearing. Oh well. I thought I heard an engine roar. I thought we were going to get ourselves a train meet. But it looks like we're not. I think the 2:30 might be like a 10 a.m. run for some reason. I'm not going to be able to stay out for that one, but at least we're catching 135 today. he's early. Yeah? Well, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe there isn't any intermodal on this train. He's awful long. This one's awful long. I bet these empty auto racks are going to be dropped off at Wolverton. They definitely have work at Wolverton, and they definitely have work at the Quebec Street Yard in London, Ontario. So maybe they're going to meet the 2:30 at Wolverton. I heard they're going to have a military unit, the 6644, I think. I haven't caught that unit before. It would be nice if I ever catch it today. There, that was right. There's the intermodal. CPKC 135 is very long today, but he's early. Nice to see a CN unit for a chance on the CN line, on the CPKC line. Nice to see a CN unit on the CPKC line for a change. But I don't know if I'll be able to stay for the 6644. It's the 5044, I think. What was I thinking? 6644 is the military unit. I'll see if I can stay up for that train. Alright, let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will be your only catch in the video. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CPKC eastbound train coming down the line. The time is 7:47 a.m. So as soon as this train passes by, I'm gonna go home because my dad has to work at 8:30 in the morning. So fortunately, this is gonna, after I catch this train, this will wrap this video up because this eastbound might be the 2:30 with the 6644 unit. Let's see if it is him. Better be the 2:30 because I'm dying to see that unit so badly. Okay, well, here comes the moment. Look, it looks like a green unit, so this might be the final moment for this. Everybody, give this video a thumbs up if you can. Okay, this is, yeah, I was right, this is 6644. Give this video a thumbs up. Yeah. I need to stand back. Here we go. Yep, this is it. So we got 6644 leading. Yeah, World War II Veterans Unit, all right. Symbol on this train is CPKC 230. Train originates from Agent Court. No, this train originates from Bentonville, Illinois. Terminates at the St. Luc Yard in Montreal, Quebec. All on this July 28th, 2023 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. I've been dying to see this unit. The only veterans unit I haven't caught is the 7022, which is, I've caught all four of the CP military units, but I haven't caught that one yet. As soon as this train ends, I'm gonna wrap this video up and go home. DPU, all right, 9379. with the 6644. Good way to end the video off. Let's get to the last 10 cars and let's wrap this video off. I'm lucky I get to go out railfanning today because I got family from Texas coming over to grandma and grandpa's house. So I got Texas cousins coming tonight, so I won't be able to railfan in the daytime. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, leave comments, and I will see you in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies is signing off. Peace out, everybody.